Hello, good morning, my dear students. In the last period, we have seen that the reaction of various metal with water. In that, we have seen the reaction of sodium and potassium metal, reaction of magnesium and calcium metal. We were trying to study about the iron. Iron and aluminium and zinc metals cannot displace hydrogen from cold or hot water, but metals like iron, zinc, and aluminium do not react either with the cold water or hot water, but they react with steam, that is the gaseous form of water. Steam is equal to H2O gas. These metals, aluminum, zinc, and iron, react with steam and displace hydrogen gas from water. From metal oxides are produced. So from metal we get metal oxide, and from water hydrogen gas is produced. Let us understand the same with the various chemical equations. Aluminium reacts with water to produce aluminum oxide and hydrogen gas. Iron reacts with water to produce iron oxides and hydrogen gas. Zinc reacts with water to produce zinc oxide and hydrogen gas. Metals like lead, copper, silver, and gold do not react with cold water, hot water, or steam water at all, or steam at all. So, lead, copper, silver, and gold do not react with water at all. Please remember, sometimes they ask you the questions like this. Now, we have examples. Example 4. So, we are going to study the fourth kind of example of displacement. We are studying about the displacement reaction and its applications and uses. Among iron, zinc, aluminium, magnesium, copper, and silver, how can we decide or how can we determine which metal is more reactive than other? For that, let's do an activity. Let us see what is the activity. Let us take aqueous solution of aluminium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, iron sulfate, zinc sulfate, or we can say ferrous sulfate, which is of green color, copper sulfate, and silver nitrate. In all these solutions, so we have taken the aqueous solution of all these substances. Let's add metal pieces of aluminium, magnesium, iron, zinc, copper, and silver to all solution and observe of displacement reaction. So let us try to observe the displacement reaction. You can understand the same with this table. You can see that we have the aqueous solution of aluminium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, um, iron sulfate, zinc sulfate, cuprous or cupric sulfate, and silver nitrate. We are going to add all the metals which we have into all the solution. So we are going to add aluminium to all this solution. We are going to add magnesium to all this solution. We are going to add iron to all this solution. We are going to add zinc to all this solution. We are going to add copper to all this solution. We are going to add silver to all this solution. You know, my dear students, you can understand this activity. For that particular reason, I have been trying to show you more and more displacement reaction activities. From the above table, now we have to see what happens during this reaction. To understand that, I'll explain you one by one. Let us take, you know, let us take first aluminium metal. So these are the reactions that showing the aluminium reaction, aluminium metals reaction. You can see this aluminium metal is added to aluminium sulfate, aluminium is added to magnesium sulfate, iron sulfate, zinc sulfate, cuprous sulfate, and silver nitrate. You can see that when aluminium is added to aluminium sulfate, there is no reaction. When aluminium added to magnesium sulfate, there is no reaction. But when aluminium is added to iron sulfate, it produces aluminium sulfate and iron metal. When aluminium reacts with zinc sulfate, it produces aluminium sulfate and zinc metal. When aluminium reacts with cuprous sulfate, it produces aluminium sulfate and copper metal. When aluminium reacts with silver nitrate, it produces aluminium nitrate and silver metal. So this is the same I have written here into the observation table, that you can see that when aluminum reacts with aluminum sulfate, there is no reaction. When it reacts with magnesium sulfate, uh, actually there is no reaction. Here I should write no. It should be no reaction. Then when it reacts with ferrous sulfate, it gives reaction of displacement. With zinc sulfate, it gives the reaction of displacement. With cuprous sulfate, it gives the reaction of displacement. With silver nitrate, it gives the reaction of displacement. Now we'll see for magnesium. Let us see for the other matter into the next video, my dear students.